like we're living. Make me feel alive. Oh yeah. Tell me I'm a savage, baby.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this super cute, effortless, glam hairstyle. There was no styling needed. I literally wore this hair straight out the bag. I did not do anything to it. Well, I did a little bit of tweaking, but we'll talk about that later. So if you want to see how I got this look, then make sure you guys are subscribed to my channels, like this video, and keep watching. Alright guys, we're going to get straight into this install. So today I'm going to be installing this wig from OMGHerHair, and I'm starting off by using my Erica J Skin Guard. I always use this stuff. It it does clean my hairline off, and it also helps my installs last a bit longer. So I try to use this every time I do my installs. If you have not added this step in your install, go ahead and do so. So I have this gorgeous deep wave wig from OMGHerHair. Oh my gosh, her hair is gorgeous. It is a deep wave texture, and it is a 13 by, don't quote me, check the description box below, but she's popping. Okay, so this install is a little bit different because this time I did not wash this wig because I just really liked how this pattern looked. It just looked very flawless, and I felt like if I wet it, it was going to give me that like wet look, that coiled look. You know what I'm talking about, that typical deep wave. That's not what I wanted. I wanted it to look like these. So all I did was apply my wig with my Got To Be hairspray. This is the one in the purple and blue can. I like this one better than the yellow one. The yellow one is just not my cup of tea personally. It leaves a white cast. It's not that girl. Step of cookies up, honey. So I applied that underneath the lace, and then I sprayed the top of the lace, and that was it, you guys. This install, as you can see by the length of this video, it was super short. It was super easy, and it looks so bomb. Like, the lace is so thin. Every time I get a wig from them, you guys, the lace is flawless. It's thin, it's pre-plucked, all that good stuff. I did pre-pluck it a little tiny bit myself before installing it, but that was all personal preference. If you are a beginner and you don't know how to pluck or none of that, I promise you all you have to do is put the wig on. I didn't bleach it. I didn't overly pluck it. I just plucked it in certain areas, and I didn't have to style it. Like, what more can you ask for? I thought that I was gonna have to like wand the front of it after messing with it a little bit, but you guys, all I did was flip it over, and that's pretty much it, you guys. You guys have seen me install all my wigs before. If you want more detailed install videos, go check out my other videos, but this one was like a quick one. Okay, so make sure you guys check out OMGHerHair. I will leave all their information down in the description box below. Let me know what you guys think of this hairstyle. I think it's super cute for the summer. It was giving glam but effortless. I love effortless hair. Like, and the crazy thing is there's nothing effortless about hair, but I just like the look of like, I didn't really try, but I look great, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's all I did. And why am I having a brain fart? I always have a brain fart about 3 minutes into talking. Make sure you guys check the description box. So like I said, check them out. I've had plenty of wigs from them before, and I'm never disappointed. I love them all the time. And I also have another one that's really different for me, you guys, coming up, and it's bomb. So make sure you guys stay tuned because I will be putting that one on in the weeks to come. So yeah, just keep watching and enjoy. tutorial on my other channel a few days ago, so make sure you guys check that out. But yeah, this is a completed look. This is a super easy, effortless type of situation. I love this pattern. This is the first time I just didn't want to like wash the deep wave before putting it in. I just felt like the natural state of it was really nice. It was really soft. It seemed very clean, so I trusted it. And thanks so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.